I'm Pat and welcome back to the channel. A few months ago we did a 0 to 60 test in the BMW i8. The temperatures were warmer and the density altitude was pretty high. So today it's actually boost season. It's 40 degrees and I want to do a couple 0 to 60 pulls just to see how the BMW i8 reacts in these conditions. Now to launch the car in sport mode you need to see this S. If it says M, you want to press and hold the right paddle shifter for 2 seconds until it says S. That's sport automatic. Second, you want to press the DSC off button and you'll see now here sport traction and it lets you know that it is off. That means that you can get some tire slip, which is okay in launch control. At this point you want to keep the steering wheel straight. You want to press full on the brake, then full on the gas until you see a checkered flag up here and then let off the brake. That's launch control. We're on the DWS 06 tires, so they're all season tires, not summer performance tires. So we'll see how things react. So I got my Dragy started up. It's showing a negative 220 foot density altitude. So it's like we're below sea level and I have some clearance. So I'm gonna go ahead and launch it now. And there we go, 0 to 60, and we did it at 4.1. So that's a verified time. Yep, it's a verified time, so we were on pretty flat ground right there. And after we do one launch, we need to actually drive the car for a little while in order to let the system cool down, because it's providing a lot of torque and it's generating a lot of heat in the electric motors and in the transmission. So I'm going to go ahead and turn traction control back on, and we're just going to continue to drive for a little while and do another 0 to 60 pull and see what we get. So it's clear all around, and we're going to go ahead and do another 0 to 60 run. Okay, that time we got a 3.94. So a 3.94 verified 0 to 60 run on that go around. Pretty cool. Let's give another 0 to 60 run. Time we got 4.02. So the best time out of the 3 was 3.95. After all this running today, I think we've given a good average around 3.95 to 4.1, somewhere in the middle there, or about a 4.0 0 to 60. So I'm happy with those results. They're very, very similar to the results we got in the summertime. So boost season really doesn't make much of a difference. And I did get some tire slip today because it is cooler. Now I did check the temperature on the tires. I see that they're around 55 degrees per tire and I'm over 32 PSI per tire. So all today's 0 to 60 runs were done using stage 1 on Alex's tune. So that's DPF Center in the UK. There'll be a link in the description below if you haven't tuned your BMW i8 so far. If you do tune it, you're going to see better performance. You're going to see no more torque limitation on that mid-engine, and you're going to see some hard shifts. So it actually does a great job of shifting this car as fast as possible. So I'm pretty impressed with it. And overall, because I'm on all season tires and I'm not on the performance summer tires, I'm going to get different results than a lot of people may get. So between the very, very low density altitude and low temperatures, we did have some tire slip. I could definitely feel some spin, but overall the performance was about the same as the summertime. It's still a fun car to drive. Now that I have the NSX in the garage, obviously I'm getting a lot more performance out of that car than this car, but this car really can hold its own. So I'm going to close this video out. If you like today's video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please click the subscribe button and ring that bell for notifications. I'll be posting more cool car content. Thanks for watching and happy motoring.